Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. Wanted to do a quick weekend update type of thing. It's weekend now, obviously. We have already seen that in the volatility and the volume. It's dropping down a little bit after having 2, 3, 4 quite volatile days, of course. Well, to be honest, I mean, the entire week last week was very volatile. But still wanted to give you my thoughts and wanted to analyze kind of what to expect today, tomorrow, and perhaps also beginning of next week. That's what we'll do. We'll talk about some fundamentals for Ethereum specifically, so perhaps some aftermath of the Shanghai upgrade, dollar strength index, so economic fundamentals, and just in general, I'll try to give you as much of a thorough overview of everything you need to know about Ethereum. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, we are almost closing our 5th consecutive bullish week. Check out the links down in the description, and there you'll also find a link to BYBIT. If you sign up now, you can get up to a $30,000 sign up bonus, and you support the channel. So and it's a great exchange. That's why I partnered up with them. So check that out as well if you're interested in that. But now onto Ethereum. So purely technically, we are still very bullish. Yesterday we dropped down quite a bit because of the dollar strength index being quite strong. This is now closed. In a weekend, this is closed. But when it opens, it's very near resistance. Now, last time we touched this level, we actually became very, very bullish, but that was also in combination with some bullish fundamentals. Now there really aren't. The consensus is still that interest rate hikes are going to stop, which is bullish for Ethereum. But altogether, I mean, we found resistance ultimately around 2120, which is actually not that major of a level. Yesterday we also talked about the main resistance level being between 2150 and 2200. I still think that the most likely scenario is that we'll get there. I actually think around 2200 is the most likely new high. But the thing is, as I said as well in the beginning, the weekend usually is not that volatile. Volume has already dropped down 30%. I expect it to drop down another 20-30%, something like that. That's usually what happens. So overall, today I'm not expecting that much, and in general we are relatively high, right? So I actually think it's likely that we'll fall down to this massive support by now between 2020 and 2000 ultimately. There you got the 382 fib, you got some EMAs coming there. 2000 is a big psychological support level, of course. So I think we will all find support there, and as I said, somewhere at the very earliest, I would say tomorrow evening, so Sunday evening, sometimes you already get some momentum. But probably early next week, I think we can actually get that bullish breakout again, or at least get some sort of a breakout, whether it's above 2060 or above 2100, which is also a little bit respected. Doesn't matter. I think we can get that breakout early next week and get up to the levels around 2200. And from there, we'll see again whether we can actually break that 2200. If you historically take a look at prices, you can see that it's quite a major level. The level above it only is around like 2300, well, just $100 above it. But we'll have to see. I mean, in the end, we are still very, very bullish. The economic fundamentals are quite good as well, so perhaps we can break above that as well. But as you know, I do these updates daily, so if you're interested in that, check them out, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow again then. For now, enjoy your weekend and take care.